Welcome to FinTech Solutions, and today we are talking about the new machine we have developed, which is vapor polishing machine. The vapor polishing machine is basically meant for the fast polishing of metals like stainless steel, titanium, aluminum, cobalt chromium, all surgical items, utensilizing items, fashion accessories. So let's have a demonstration of this machine today. This machine has got auto mode as well as manual mode, where in which you can see the buttons PLC, HMI, then the temperature sensor, the temperature controller, temperature display is there, voltmeter and ammeter, voltmeter for voltage control and ammeter as well. So today we are discussing, we are going to do some trials, some demo on titanium, Inconel and stainless steel parts, very small parts. So as I told you, this machine has got all the features in manual mode as well as in auto mode. So you can see the temperature. This machine has to kept at a certain temperature, which is here we have set 90 degree as the temperature of electrolyte. Now coming back to the next portion of the machine, which is the working bar. Basically, you can have a working bar in which electrolyte are I'll just show you the working bar, where in which you can see the water inside mixed with some alkaline salt, the holding arrangement which will move up and down. So we are just processing the part. First of all, we have to clamp the part. This is the part which we are going to process it today. You can just check it. So we are just hanging it onto the fixture, which is above the water level. Now we have kept the temperature, maintained a temperature of approximately around 90 degrees. We are just crossing, which is very important as far as the safety of the machine is concerned. Now we have put it in manual mode. This machine is working under manual mode right now. We have, first of all, we have to set the temperature, which is on. Now we are on the verge of completion of this process. Only 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and it's over. So now there is an alarm which is for the completion of the process. Now you have to reset the alarm. Now the alarm is gone. The DC power is off. Now we have temperature which is getting on and off. Then we have this button, door lock, door unlock button. Just press this, hold it. Now we are holding it. We are opening the door. See the process door, a lot of fluids are coming out. Now we have to push it up, the picture up, button, and just pushing and holding it. You can see it. Just pull it, pushing and holding it. And you can see it is coming out. And it is completely going to get out of the water. Yes, yes. You can check it. You can check it. Now this is a fixture. Since it is very hot, we have to take it out. Now we are just taking it out. See the part. We have to rinse it. Just rinsed it, we can see the finish. I'll just show you. See the finish. You can see all four sides, highly polished and very smooth surface. So this is all about plasma polishing machine developed by Fintech Solutions, which is suitable for all medical implants, stainless steel, cobalt, chromium, titanium, brass, copper, jewelries, gold 22 carat, 18 carat. Any industry, wherever there is a polishing operation, this is the fastest method. Average process time is around 3 to 6 minutes. If you need to have more cutting operation, then it can go up to 9 minutes also. So that's all about the finishing machine, which is plasma polishing or called as vapor polishing machines. Thank you. Yeah.